Hello everyone, and welcome back. Okay, we are back with the Den Brass Challenge lock. Well, if you've seen my video yesterday, we picked this lock. Well, when we opened it up, we found out that I guess he was half asleep when he put it together. All the drivers were upside down. Well, since then I put the lock back together and fixed it. And, well, the key still works extremely smooth. And again, I'll show you the bitting on it. Very nice bitting on the key. But we're going to try to get it open again, well, the way the lock was intended to be made. Alright, well, we'll go with this hook here. And, of course, we're going to use this tension wrench from West Coast Picks. We will try to get in again for you guys. Like I said, the way this lock was intended to be made, I'm sure it's going to act a lot different today. This is pin 3. I think I just either overset them or moved them out of the way. And 4 or possibly 5. Couple clicks there. Now we're on 5. A click from him. Couple clicks off of 6. Another click off of 5. Click from 3. Come around 1. Some counter rotation. Alright, that went deep. Might have got him. That was a little bit of counter rotation off of 3. Another click from 5. I think I just got another one off of 6. Another click off of 5. Might have got a tiny turn on that core. Okay, that was 2. Couple little clicks. 3. Few clicks off of 3. Another click for 4. 5. Click off of 2. Okay, we got a pretty deep falset. I believe that was off of 4. Okay, good click off of 1. We got a pretty deep falset now. It's a lot deeper. And we're open on 6. Alright. Okay, definitely a lot different. I got some deep falsets out of it that I did not get yesterday. And, well, yeah. Well, we're open again, so I will open it again for you guys, and we'll take another look, just in case you missed it yesterday. We will lock it back up. We'll get this clip back off of it. Yeah, it was definitely a different pick than yesterday. I wasn't really getting much feedback yesterday. I was getting a lot of little clicks and then it just opened. But today, a little bit different. Definitely a little bit different. Again, all 6 pins are in there. They're all working. Alright, let's take another look again. Pin 1, serrated. 2, a serrated spool, kind of like to a T-pin. Another serrated spool in 3. A T-pin in 4. A serrated T-pin in 5. And another serrated T-pin in 6. And he did thread everything up here in the core. Straighten these out. Okay. Alright, let's see up here. This time, I think I'm going to be a little bit different up here this time. Focus it in for you. Okay. Pin 1 is, I kind of forgot, is a serrated T-pin. Serrated spool. I'm not going to pull the springs, they were all the same. This one here is a nice serrated spool again. Another serrated spool. Excuse me. It will come from the back of the lock now. I've been watching some videos. I think this makes it a little bit easier to get at these back pins. This one's actually stuck down there. It must be stuck in the threads. There it is. Another serrated, well, that's a serrated T-pin in 6. Serrated in 5. And a serrated spool in 4. And again, up here, he did thread everything up here in the Bible. Every chamber is threaded. I'll give you another quick peek at the pins again. Alright, so we have a serrated key pin in 1, a serrated spool, kind of a T-pin. It is definitely reduced diameter on the top. And then we have a serrated spool kind of T-pin here in 2. We got a serrated spool up here in 2. We have another serrated spool in 3. Again, another serrated spool up top in 3. We have a T-pin in 4. Kind of a serrated double spool up here in 4. Then we have a serrated T-pin in 5. Serrated up here on the top of 5. Then we have the serrated spool with a extremely sharp edge on the top of that one. And another serrated T-pin here in up top of 6. Yep, a little different this time, guys. All right. Well, Den Brass, that was an awesome lock. Thank you again for pinning it up and sending it to me. And yeah, I will make sure that it gets put together right and before I send it out. And yeah. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everybody, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.